First we are importing pandas library and we are using to read CSV file which is our dataset and storing it in df variable, and we are printing 5 rows of the dataset. By default it will print only 5 rows. If you want to print more rows, we can give inside of head of function. After that we are selecting only numerical columns and storing it in numeric underscore columns variable. Only those columns will be stored. Then if any missing value is present, it will be filled with the mean value and will get stored in the same numeric underscore columns. Then we are selecting only the categorical columns, as we are excluding number columns. We are here we are including those columns. Here we are excluding those columns, and those categorical columns will be stored in categorical columns. We can also use include is equal to object instead of exclude is equal to number for storing categorical. Then we are using label encoder to convert categorical columns into numerical columns. As machine understand only numerical data, then we are using fit underscore transform function to convert string type and storing it in the same column. After that we are choosing independent and dependent variable. Here we are dropping the target variable and storing everything in x variable. Then we are storing only the target variable in y variable. Then we are using train test split function to split train data and test data. We are passing x, y as parameter and test size as 0.2. In the data set, 0.2% data will be used for testing purpose, and other than that everything will be used for training purpose. Random state is used to not randomly it will do any operation. If we run this again and again, it will not change. Then here we are importing linear regression. Then in model we are storing and we are fitting x train and y train. Then we are predicting with x test, as that x test is unseen. Train data will train the model. X test is used to predict. Those data will be unseen, so we are checking whether it is correctly predicting or not by testing it on unseen data. Then we are predicting with x test, and we are checking the performance of the model. We are importing mean squared error and R2 score. We are passing a y test and y pred as a parameter for both mean squared and R2 square, and we are printing it.